I think there's a quite reasonable chance, probably 50% or a bit above, that we will in the first and second quarters have negative growth in both quarters. I don't think that is itself sufficient to establish a recession because it's heavily being driven by demand that draws down inventories and demand that draws in imports. But I think there's a real risk that we'll see it through this year and an even greater risk that we'll see it next year. I would say the odds are certainly in the far above half, probably above three-quarters of seeing a recession within the next 2 years. And I don't think there's any reason why it needs to be a recession like we saw in 1982 or like we saw during the great financial crisis.
Right.
But I think it's not going to be a walk in the park either. And I would suggest as a kind of rough model what we saw after the bubble burst in 2000.